Okay, so we've just gone into the pound yen here, which I'll just show you. There's a trade on. This is a real account. Got to be below this line here, which is 150918 by the close of trade on Monday UK time as well. Alright, so it's just crossed the 151 level, which is a bit of a significant move, I have to say, and it's gone over with quite a bit of conviction here. But we're looking for a pullback. So we will see how it goes. We're during the New York session right now. It's about 10:30 in the morning in New York, and it's 3:30 in the afternoon in London. Looking at the chart over here, this is the daily. And this is the 4-hour. So let me try and get this back down to 91, 90. Well, let's leave it there. So if it's below that white line, close the business on Monday, then we will be okay. There's a 1 pip difference between my charts on this platform and this one. Okay, so 90. What? In fact, we might move this up a little bit if I can get the cursor to work here. No, it's not going to go. This one you're looking at is a demo platform. Okay, let's leave it 90. It's near as we can get to it. And here is, there you go, so a bit of a reversal there. So we need to be 10, 20 pips lower all of this session and all the Monday as well. So looking for a pullback. And the euro looks like this, the pound looks like this. Nothing happening there. Nothing happening there. This one's a definite because some good resistance at the top there. And on the daily goes way back to the beginning of February before it, went below this level. Now the Dow today is up a little bit. This is how the dollar yen's doing. That's probably worth a bit of a short there. But I chose the pound yen. And by the way, don't be afraid to have a small account, a small size. You've got to start somewhere. And if you don't start, you won't get anywhere. So always good to start somewhere. And that's about it. So from me, Nick, hope you will have a good weekend. I shall do some swimming, relaxing, eating, maybe a bit of reading. And I'll update you with the result of this trade next week. Be good to each other. All the best. Take care.